Hi, this unboxing was a little surprise because I didn't know Portland Leather would send me something when I agreed to let them use my photo in their catalog. They were so thoughtful in putting together a box for me to show appreciation. It's rare to see companies do this these days. This looked like a leather bag enamel bag charm. This is so cute. I wonder if they will start selling this on their website sometime soon. Next is a couple of leather flower bag charms. You can attach this to your bag by opening up the snap button. It's simple and effective, and you can use it for other things as well. For example, I recently really into journaling and using my fountain pen. This flower bag charm is so cute attached to my fountain pen. As you can see here, the bag charm stays in place quite well, and it's not falling off. If you have wire earbuds, this is great for keeping the cable organized. Next is this triangle coin pouch. Not sure which leather this is, but I love the pepper texture. Even though I mostly collect bags, I do love having more leather accessories around. These can come in handy, and they are great gifts for friends. And then we have this gordita pouch in beautiful pebble leather. I'm not sure which color this is, but I certainly don't mind buying a bag in this color. I like a bigger pouch like this. It's more practical and functional. I hope Portland Leather brings out more colors this year. The zippers seem to work perfectly. I actually never have any problems with their zippers. If your bag zippers are not smooth, you can get a zipper lubricant and that should improve the condition. They also sent me a discount code, which means I will be buying more bags soon. Other than accessories, they also included their cute stickers. I'll definitely use them in my journal. I truly appreciate the social media team for sending all this for me. These items really brighten up my day. Lastly, I also got a couple of their catalogs. If you receive this when you order from them, you may have seen my photo on the customer's page. I don't know if they do this often, but if you want to get a chance to receive a box like this, consider sharing your pictures with their products on social media. I'm grateful they sent me this box, but regardless, I'll always buy their bags because I love their leather, and I will continue to support companies that care about their community. Please subscribe if you want to see more Portland Leather's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.